Hello class 7. This is the third part of your English rapid class, and the chapter which we were doing that is strange couple, and we have completed up to the first paragraph of page number 8, and today in this video I will be starting from the page number 8 only and from the second paragraph. Okay, so please take out the book and turn to page number 8. So in previous videos we have learned that two people, the one man and another woman, they were coming to Wessex and they had a little child, and though it seemed like that they were husband and wife, but they did not have a good relationship between them. It seemed like also that the person was a farmer. He had some tools for farming, and both of them came to a fair, and the lady wanted some food from a tent, and she got also, and the man wanted some wine and some cedar, and at first he did not get, but afterwards he got a bowl of that wine, and after taking that wine he got intoxicated. Okay, so now from the page number 8, the second part, we are going to start. The woman asked Michael Hencourt, her husband, where they would stay. So the woman, she was asking her husband, and what was the name of her husband? Michael Hencourt. She was asking that where would they stay. The man ignored her and began to speak loudly to the crowd. The man did not give any attention to his lady, and he was only ignored her wife, and only he started talking to other people. The child dozed off. The child dozed off means here the child was so sleepy. It was about to sleep. The man had 4 bowls and soon became quarrelsome. The man, that means Michael Hencourt, he drank some bowls of wine, and after taking that intoxication, after taking that wine, he got intoxicated with that, and he became so quarrelsome. The men began to talk about the hopelessness of a bad marriage. So on that moment, some people were there, some men were there, and generally they were, at that time, they were discussing about the bad effects of the bad marriages. Michael said he had been foolish to marry at 18, and Michael, who was the man, he was stating that he became a fool because he married a lady at the year he got married at the age of 18 only. He was actually that he was repenting for his marriage. He bragged about his expertise at work and rued the fact that he was penniless. So what happened? So he was just showing off that he was so good at his work and everything, but because of his marriage he lost everything, and he was regretting for his marriage too. Outside, the last horses were being auctioned. So you know that those people came to a fair, and at that time fair means where the horses, the cows were being auctioned. So last horse was there, it was also auctioned, it was also sold off. The man said he liked the idea of auctioning unwanted wives. The man, that means Michael Hencourt, was so exhausted, and so maybe he was so depressed for his wife and for his marriage. So, and he was also intoxicated at that time. He drank a lot of wine. So he told that he liked the idea of auctioning unwanted wives. Unwanted wife means generally auctions were being done for the animals, but at that time he was out of his mind, and he was telling that he wanted the auction for the wives who were unwanted to their husbands. Okay. Then he offered his wife Suzanne for sale, and then he got the idea. He wanted to offer his wife for sale. Suzanne tried to stop him, but Henkard continued. Suzanne, who was helpless, she tried to stop all these things, but nothing could be done because her husband was out of his mind, and he was intoxicated. He drank so much wine. He was not in his state. He was not in his. He was not. He was not in control. So Suzanne could not do anything. And what happened? You see, hurt Suzanne declared that she was also tired of Michael. So Suzanne was very hurt because she could understand that her husband would sell her, okay, to another person. So obviously, being a wife, being a human being, she was so hurt, and she also expressed her thought that she was also very much depressed, getting Michael as her husband. When the price reached 5 guineas, a sailor agreed. So, for 5 guineas, a sailor took Suzanne. Okay. When Suzanne and the child left with him. So, Suzanne also with her child, both of them, that means they left to the man. They went to the man. That means the sailor who took them. Okay. As they left the tent, the woman looked at the sailor, who smiled kindly at her. But it seemed like the sailor who took Suzanne and her child, her name was Elizabeth. So when Suzanne went to that sailor, it seemed like that sailor was good at heart, because he at the first time the sailor smiled with a very kind manner to Suzanne. She took off her wedding ring and flung it at Michael. She told him that in the 2 years they had been married, he had subjected her to his anger. What happened? So they were married. That means Suzanne and Michael were married to each other, and they had the marriage ring on on her. That means Suzanne's finger. Suzanne, being a wife of Michael, she had a wedding ring on her finger, and she took it off and she threw it to Michael with anger, with very depression and very much pain and agony. Okay. And she told that, also she informed Michael that she did not get anything, only that means rude behavior and anger from Michael. Crying, she held the sailor's hand and left. She was crying continuously, and she took his daughter, and then she went to the sailor. Okay. No one knew the sailor, but they guessed he had money. So on that moment, no one knew that what kind of person was the sailor. Only they could understand that maybe the sailor would be a nice person, a gentle person, because at the first time he smiled at Suzanne in a very polite manner. So they were discussing, the people were discussing, maybe that sailor would be very gentle to women. So someone pointed out that Suzanne would be happier since sailors were known to be kind to women. So some people were there, that means one person was there, and she told, he or she told maybe that at that moment afterwards Suzanne would be very happy with the sailor, because they could understand that the sailor would be very good to women. the drunken hintered the free man, and he wanted to be fell asleep in the tent. And that drunken person, that means Michael Henchard, he just totally out of his control, he was out of his mind, he just sold off his own wife and his own daughter to another person in a fair. And he was not in his mind, he was he felt like he was a free man, and then he what to say, that he fell asleep in the tent, in the fair, in a tent he fell asleep. Okay.